Hello, welcome to another Cadivu Academy's video. My name is Moises Hess. I'm Cadivu Professionals Educator, and today I'll present you to the new service from Brazil Cacao. The service of today will be a revolution on your salon, perfect to conquer more clients and raise your profit. You asked for it and we listened. Now it is possible to reset the clock on your client's smoothing hair treatment to keep your client's treatment looking like salon fresh between appointments. The Gradual Smooth Serum is the innovative release from Brazil Cacao to provide instantly straight hair with no harsh chemicals. It seals the cuticles and promotes optimum longevity of Brazil Cacao's keratin treatment. If you want to do a reconstruction service with this treatment, all you have to do is insert a cocoa shot instead of the conditioner, which is made with the Extreme Repair Mask and Extreme Repair Ampule that will repair and shield the hair against future damages. We're going to start the application now. Thank you. The application should be done from roots to ends. And all the length of the hair. Just make sure that the whole hair has product and then distribute it equally to make sure that the hair received product all over. You will love it. Gradual Smooth Serum will be your best friend to cut blow-dry time. It gives an easy and instantly straight effect with a long-lasting result. We already divided her hair in 4 different sections, and we're gonna flat iron her hair now. It's important to remember that the flat ironing should be in small sections, and we're gonna flat iron it 3 times. But do remember that you shouldn't flat iron the ends too much.